Hi there, welcome in. I'm Ludi Shadowspeaker, Real Estate Extraordinaire, and I'm thrilled to have you here at 1515 Hample Street, right in the heart of Oakland's historic Glenview neighborhood. Glenview has such a rich and beautiful story. Long before it became one of Oakland's most sought-after pockets, this area was all rolling hills, redwoods, and hidden creeks. When the streetcar lines expand in the early 1900s, the neighborhood blossomed into a community known for its California Bungalows, period revival homes, and that unmistakable charm that still defines it today. 1515 Hample Street is a stunning reflection of that heritage. As you walk through, you'll feel the craftsmanship, the character, and the warmth that have lived here for decades, all blended with the modern updates and flow that make everyday living effortless. My slogan for this home says it best: come for the history, stay for the future. And as you explore, you'll see exactly why. This property honors its past in every detail, yet offers a lifestyle that feels fresh, elevated, and ready for whatever comes next. Take your time, enjoy the space, imagine what life could look like here. And if you have any questions about the home, the neighborhood, or the East Bay market, I'm right here and happy to chat. Again, I'm Ludi Shadowspeaker, Real Estate Extraordinaire, and I'm excited to welcome you to what makes this home so special.